We have to exercise extreme caution. These flashes may well be interceptions. Interceptions of these projectiles. 1, 2, possibly 3 of them may or may not have hit their targets. May or may not have hit their targets in Tel Aviv. For an hour now, I beg your pardon, for a year now, we have been asking whether or not this could tilt into something even bigger than it has been. In other words, a direct, full-blown war. Oh, that's a direct hit. That is a direct hit on Tel Aviv. The flashes in the sky are likely to be interceptions of Iranian missiles, but we did see one that appeared to land in Tel Aviv. So again, to that question that we've been asking for a year, so many of our analysts and commentators saying the situation between Israel and Gaza and then between Israel and Hezbollah carries with it a very big risk of a major regional confrontation, the major actors of which would be Israel, Iran, and potentially then the United States. And we may be seeing a further salvo in this confrontation. The latest information we're getting, coming from the Israeli media Yediot Aharonot, is that 102 missiles have been launched from Iran into Israel.